Papasal ko kayo sa bahay natin.
Wait lang, mama. Wait lang.
Ayun na yung dati ko. Nagtago, okay. So, ito ang kailang computer sa labas. Ito si Dion, yan. Ito si Ate Mika, hi!
Hi.
And I'm sorry. Okay, go. Let's go. This is their electric fan, their door. The CR. Let's go to the CR. The ref.
Yes.
Oh. Ha ha ha. The deer. The deer. Ate Claire. Oh, Tita Claire. Nasa ng video ka. Yan.
Pati kung ito magulo.
No, I'm just here. Yan ha. Yan tayo.
Para maliwanag na.
Is it? May picture ba?
Inuwa tayo sa labas para maliwanag.
Ayan. So, and yun. We're here again. Nakita mo ng ilaw. Hindi, actually, yan sa'yo. We can go to the traffic. Wala lang. Go, say something.
Josh, hanapin mo na yung East Coin necklace mo. Wala yung sabi ko. Wala yung suot. Isa ka pa.
Ah! Ow! And?
And, yung upo mo pala.
Oo nga.
At saka yun don't sit like this, This,
Yeah.
Kailangan ganyan lagi. Lagi.
Yeah.
Secret.
Yeah.
Don't sit. Okay, at saka yung pagtayo mo, huwag kang gawin to.
What?
Lagi mo din wala. Ganyan ang panlalaki.
Yeah.
Ang girl ko eh.
And then, kuya, sinabi mo sa akin na tinuruan kita. Sabi niya, tinuruan niya, okay, in English, you told me that I taught you how to hug. Oh. So, hug tight, okay?
Hug tight.
Hug tight.
Pero dapat sa amin lang
Hug.
yun.
Basta na yun. Whatever.
Dapat sa amin kami lang i-hug tight mo.
Yeah.
Ay, ba't napunta yun dito?
Ay, oh. Hold on.
Can you
Oh.
read it? Can you read it?
Yeah.
Got it, great.
We can go to the traffic still. So I can take you there.
I have a boy bawang here. Right, your favorite boy bawang.
Hahaha. Remember, kuya, tinanong ko sa'yo, where is your boy bawang? Sabi mo, I think you left it in the car. Then I said, oh, then nung pumunta kayo ng Baguio, nung dumating na kayo New Year's Eve, binigay ko sa'yo yung boy bawang kasi I found it at our house. Hahaha. Lol. Okay, picture. Yan. Oops.
Right, sino bang kumula?
Hi.
Sino bang kumula? Ano, Sarah?
Dahil ikaw lamang ang hindi nang iwan, nararapat na ika'y pasalamatan. Ikaw. Kay Robin.
Ay, ganon?
Yeah.
Correction.
Zarbel. Nakay kay Robin.
Ay, Raj, wag mo, may nakalimutan na. Kalimutan na si Nicole sa his birthday.
Sige, please.
I saw your picture.
Ay,
Ay, tatlo.
Agad.
Gawa, ikaw to. Maganap ka eh. Maganap ka lang. Tapos si Nicole na ha.
Sikatin.
Ako si Nicole.